so we are hitting up Squids Jaunt. We're actually going to be doing it from the top, which we haven't done before. And so we're hoping to get some really awesome, good drone footage for you guys. And then also give you a different perspective of what it looks like instead of coming up from the bottom, heading down towards from the top. So we'll see how this goes.
Come down passenger rear or driver rear. Passenger rear.
You're right on the edge. You just pick your rear tire all the way off the ground like 2 foot.
What?
Yeah.
Colin, you can come this way, it's not hard.
You want to go more driver. You're coming off that ledge over there on your driver's side.
Line. Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. Keep coming, keep coming. A touch passenger, just a touch. Yeah, hold that line.
Passengers coming down.
Make sure you go straight. You don't want your rear driver to slide off. Go straight. Hold it, just carry that all the way out. That's crazy flex right there. You're off it. You're up easy. Coming down, driver path. There you go.
I just rolled my ankle for like the 3rd time.
I saw it. I was like, why is he hobbling? What's the way down?
Straight.
Can we take my line up or can we take it down?
No. You won't stick yourself upright.
Right.
It's a one-way thing.
Yeah. Okay. So we're just going to the right of the boulder and everything.
Yeah, that's right.
we just finished Squids Jaunt. It was super awesome, so much fun. There's so many lines that you can choose from whenever you do Squids Jaunt from the other direction. There are multiple lines that you can choose whenever you're going up Squids Jaunt as well, but it was a blast. We absolutely enjoyed it, and we hope that you guys are going to enjoy this footage. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share with your friends. If you like what we're doing, give us a thumbs up, and as always, just keep on jeeping.